aware, you're watching COVID 360. I'm Sneha Murdani. The world is gripped in anxiety. There is a new variant, and in a week's time of being labelled as a variant of concern, this variant has been seen in over 30 countries. In this episode, we get you a 360-degree view of the new variant, the Omicron variant, the very latest we know so far, and also what we do not know. How is the world gearing up to handle Omicron, and how is India gearing up to meet this huge challenge as the country also reports cases of the Omicron variant? Cases of the Omicron variant have been found in India. Here's a complete report on what the government has said on the kind of preparations underway to deal with the fifth variant of concern, which has left India unspared as well.
Big Omicron scare across India, with the mutant now surfacing in the national capital Delhi. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain confirmed the first case of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus in Delhi. The patient, who returned from Tanzania, has been admitted to the special Omicron ward at the LNJP hospital in Delhi.
प्रीलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट के अंदर वो पॉजिटिव हैं ओमिक्रॉन से, फिर भी जो लैब से फाइनल रिपोर्ट इशू की जाएगी वो कल की जाएगी। सिम्टम जितने ज़्यादा होंगे उसी हिसाब से इलाज किया जाता है। ऑक्सीजन की थेरेपी है, स्टेरॉइड्स हैं, दवाइयाँ देनी है, वो सब कुछ सेम है, उसमें कोई ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं होता है, बट हाँ उसको आइसोलेट करने की जरूरत होती है, आइसोलेट किया गया है।
The patient has mild symptoms, including fever, which has now subsided, but he still has a sore throat and is under constant observation of the doctors.
ये एक पेशेंट ऐसा है जिसके हल्का गले में दर्द है और शुरू में हल्का बुखार था, तो उसके लिए हमने सिम्टोमेटिक ट्रीटमेंट दिया है। बॉडी एक है, थोड़ा हल्का बदन में दर्द है और थोड़ा वीकनेस है, और सबसे जो महत्वपूर्ण बात है ये है कि इनको रेस्पिरेटरी सिम्टम्स नहीं है, कफ नहीं है, खांसी नहीं है, रेस्पिरेटरी।
Screening has been intensified at the Mumbai International Airport after a South Africa returnee was detected with the Omicron variant on Saturday. The 33-year-old patient is a resident of Dombivli and is unvaccinated.
1 नवंबर से अभी तक जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पे जो ट्रैवल किए हुए लोग हैं उन सभी की जांच की गई है और करीबन 3,800 लोगों की जांच की गई है, जिसमें सभी लोगों की जांच करते हुए 6 लोग पॉजिटिव आए हैं, लेकिन वो ओमाइक्रॉन पॉजिटिव है ऐसा सिद्ध नहीं हुआ है।
Very importantly, there were 25 people along with this particular person who traveled from Delhi to Mumbai. All were traced out and all were found tested negative for COVID-19. More contact tracing is being done by the officials.
The civic body of Karnataka tracked down all the 10 people who arrived in the state from South Africa on November 20th and subsequently went missing.
ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
As of now, the Chief Minister has stated that any area that has 3 or more COVID cases will now be declared as a cluster. Initially, it was 10 cases to be declared as a cluster. They have revised that.
The government at the centre has cautioned, asking states to focus on testing, tracking, treatment, screen international travellers and monitor emerging hotspots. Experts caution an impending third wave if the virus fight falters.
अभी का आकलन ये बताता है कि अगले साल के शुरू में अपने उच्चतम स्तर पे इसकी संख्या शायद 1 लाख से 1.5 लाख के बीच में जा सकती है, लेकिन जो मेरा अंदाज है कि जैसे जैसे संख्या बढ़ेगी थोड़ा बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्शन हर जगह लगने लगेंगे, तो शायद पीक उतना भी ना पहुंच पाए, 1 लाख भी ना पहुंच पाए, उससे कम ही रह जाए।
Vaccinating and using masks still remain critical for India, as it is no time to let the guard down. Bureau Report, India Today.
Many people are asking the question on whether the symptoms of those patients infected with coronavirus this time around, infected with a new variant of Omicron, is any different from the symptoms that the previous patients had shown who were not infected with Omicron. The answer to that is a big yes. The symptoms are indeed different. What are the new symptoms then? Tiredness, scratchy throat, mild muscle ache and dry cough seem to be the symptoms of Omicron right now. The old symptoms of loss of smell, taste and cough is not being seen in patients who are being detected with the Omicron variant. Will RT-PCR tests help diagnosis? Yes, says the World Health Organization. Yes is the answer from the Indian Council of Medical Research as well. Does it cause more severe disease? WHO says that we do not know just yet if the Omicron variant causes more severe infection. Does it cause more infections? WHO says that it's unclear, but it appears right now from whatever evidence is there that it indeed is causing more infections. Why do viruses mutate? And why are sick bodies the perfect host for a virus to replicate and render vaccines and naturally acquired immunity ineffective? Here is an explainer. Viruses mutate, and that is a reality we have to live with. Well, that really is a word from experts. It is a natural process. Viruses change during reproduction. In the case of Omicron, doctors from South Africa say that prolonged infection in a patient suffering from AIDS, essentially an immunocompromised patient, has actually caused the mutation. Prolonged infection allows the virus to replicate or reproduce for a longer duration inside the body of the patient. The compromised immune response leads to emergence of mutations that make the virus less susceptible to antibodies, which simply means that it makes the virus more powerful against vaccines and naturally acquired immunity. Mutations are changes in the genetic code which could improve the way the virus performs. It could mean the virus improves its ability to infect more people or make people more severely ill. Now here's why prolonged infection can be the perfect scenario for the virus. Now in case of coronavirus, reproduction or replication or making a copy can occur only inside a body. Viruses can't replicate outside the host. A host can be a human or it can be an animal. A sick body, in short, is the perfect environment for a virus to replicate. That is exactly what has happened in the case of the patient in South Africa who was suffering from AIDS and where Omicron is believed to have been born. In the past as well, mutations have been seen in very unwell patients whose immune systems have been compromised. Let's now talk about the mutations of Omicron. Omicron has a large number of mutations.
WHO ने बताया है कि इसमें करीब 45 से 52 के करीब ओवरऑल म्यूटेशन नोट की गई हैं, जिसमें से करीब 26 से 32 म्यूटेशन जो हैं वह स्पाइक प्रोटीन से रिलेटेड हैं। RT-PCR टेस्ट इसमें क्योंकि सीक्वेंस कंफर्मेशन में एक एड कर सकता है, इसको एक मार्कर के रूप में भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं एंड इट कैन बी यूजफुल इन अर्ली प्रोबेबल डिटेक्शन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर म्यूटेशन ऑल्सो। इसकी बाइंडिंग एफिनिटी जो हमारे सेल से बाइंडिंग एफिनिटी है शायद कुछ अधिक हो, जिससे कि इसको सेल को अटैच होने में एक चांसेस इसके बढ़ जाते हैं।
The spike protein, which forms the protruding knobs on the outside of the SARS-CoV-2 virus, helps the virus stick to cells that it can gain entry. Most vaccines, when they function, target the spike protein. 32 mutations in the spike protein can mean that the vaccine may not be able to even recognize the spike protein. How will it work then? It's going to enable the variant to evade immunity given by vaccines. And this is a possibility that is still being studied. The Omicron scare has brought with it long hauls at the airport. Passengers are facing immense hardships, with passengers having to wait for more than 6 hours. Here's more.
long lines and a longer wait for COVID tests. Chaos, confusion, and the COVID conundrum are back to haunt travellers again. International passengers are having a harrowing time at airports in India. Suzanne's flight from Russia landed in Delhi at 5 a.m. She came out of the airport 7 hours later at noon.
How much time did you wait inside the airport?
I think 4 hours I need to will be wait.
4 hours? And which test did they do? RT-PCR test?
Negative test I have in the airport.
Okay, but you had to wait at the airport inside?
Yes, inside.
Almost on the verge of tears, Navjot, herself a nurse, was also not aware of mandatory testing at the airport. She says authorities are not accepting online payments, making things more difficult for passengers.
कार्ड से एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, अंदर कैश ही ले रहे हैं?
नहीं, कैश में ले रहे थे.
कैश में ही ले रहे हैं?
कैश में ही ले रहे थे.
तो अगर किसी के पास कैश नहीं है तो काफ़ी बड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है.
हाँ, वो बोलते हैं कि आप जाके चेंज करवा सकते हैं. डायरेक्टली इन्होंने कहा कि आप वहाँ पे PCR कराना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने टेस्ट जल्दी में कराना है तो 4000 चार्ज लगते हैं. अगर आप 500 में कराते हैं तो आपको 6 घंटे वेट करनी पड़ेगी. तो हमने बोला नहीं, हम 4000 में नहीं कराते. हम बहुत डिस्कस किया पर हमने 4000 में, क्योंकि हमारे ब्रदर भी वहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं.
टेस्ट महंगा है, जहाँ हमारे पास ना यहाँ की मनी होती फिर क्या हम क्या करते. जॉब से आए हम, यहाँ के पैसे होंगे, यहाँ के पैसे हमारे पास कहाँ हैं. और एट टाइम हमारे को पकड़ने पड़े.
अच्छा, तो आपको अंदर इंतजार कितना करना पड़ा?
5-6 घंटे, 4-5 घंटा हो गया.
Vinod waited for 6 hours at the airport after a 9-hour direct flight from London. He says the authorities did not tell him about testing and the waiting period.
The number of hours which you will be spending between the flight and at the airport will increase drastically. Say, for example, if you're coming from the United Kingdom and you take a direct flight, which is roughly 9 hours, then you will have to spend additional 6 hours sitting at the airport waiting for the test result. Now, the government thinks this is one of the safest and the surest way of making sure that the new COVID variant does not spread in the country.
Jean String's lab is responsible for COVID testing at the Delhi International Airport.
We are expecting around 1500 samples during peak hours during night at the airport from mainly for European countries. We are making all efforts to increase the staff and the number of machinery in order to reduce the TAT. Initially the TAT was around 4 to 6 hours, which we are trying to reduce to 4 hours so that there is not much wait for the passengers at the airport.
There are two types of RT-PCR tests available: a rapid RT-PCR test and a regular RT-PCR test. A rapid RT-PCR test takes about an hour for the result. The normal one takes at least 4. But it all comes at a cost. A rapid RT-PCR test costs 3,900 rupees per person, while a regular one will cost 500 rupees. India has not banned flights coming from at-risk nations yet, but screening and strict travel guidelines have left passengers at sea. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
We're pausing here for a quick commercial break. Much more news around the Omicron variant on the other side.